Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to send email with HTML content from SMTP server. So using ASP.NET Core 5.0 MVC. So as part of this, we are going to see how to send email from Outlook host and also from Gmail host and also from GoDaddy host. We are going to look at all these three hosts. We'll be seeing live email demo using Outlook.com. So let's dive into it. Okay, this is the email ID I want to use for this demo. So I don't have any emails in the inbox. In sent items also I don't have any emails. This is a new email created for this. This is the HTML content I want to send with that email. Simple two headers and a label. So if you want to see the content, so this is the content, simple content. Two H1 and H2 tags, a label tag. That's it. With some background color. Let's dive into this. So this is ASP.NET Core 5.0 project. If you go to properties, target framework is a .NET 5.0 latest framework. It's a MVC pattern. We have one controller, home controller. It has simple index action method with get and post methods. This has a view. This view. In this view, I have simply added a form and email input box. So we need to put an email in this email box. Then need to click on send button, send email button, so that email will be sent. So that is the demo we are going to see. Let's start writing the code here. First, I want to get the HTML content from this document just now I showed you. So I want to get this HTML content into my application as a string. Here is my string, mail body, the same content with the two header tags h1, h2 and label, simple HTML content. So my email content is ready. Then this is my subject. Welcome to Nehant World. So this is my mail title. Email from .NET Core app. So I want to show this title. Next one is from email. So from this email, I want to send emails out. And this password. So email password. So you need to put your email password here. So I just put random text here. You need to put your email password here. That's it. So I have prepared the required data. So mail body, subject, mail title, from email and password. So let's go into action method, send action method, and first create mail message. So this is mail message, first part. So here we need to create object for mail message. This mail message will take from email ID and to email ID. Along with from email ID will be sending mail title. We are creating a mail message with from and to emails. Then I'm assigning the subject. Then I'm assigning mail body. And I'm saying that my mail body is of type HTML. So if we set a true, then only the email sent as a HTML type. Otherwise it will send as a text and you cannot see it properly in your email box. So this is an email message we have prepared. Then next, email server details. Here we need to create SMTP client object. So this SMTP client object will be having the server host address. So this is the host address for Outlook. So if you have Outlook email ID, this is the host address, smtp.office365.com, and this is the port number for TLS, and this one is port number for SSL, and I'm saying enable SSL, and delivery method is through network. So till now we have created a email content and a server. Now need to configure credentials for this server. So configuring credentials, I'm creating object for network credentials. To this credentials object, I'm giving from email and from email password. We have created, so this one, from email password, from email password, this one. I'm saying don't use default credentials and use my credentials. So then we are done with the email preparation, and here we just need to send smtp.send. Need to pass a message here so that email will be sent. Once the email sent, let's set a success message to view back. So this message is displayed here. So we are displaying it here if it is not null. So simple one. So collecting an email and clicking submit button, then displaying the status. Done with the coding, let's run it. So before running it, let's look at the email box. We don't have any items in the inbox and sent items also. nehanthworld@outlook.com as a from email. I want to use the same as a to email also. So I want to use the same email as a to email. So that I'm sending email from this to this only, so that we can see message in inbox and sent item. That's why I was showing you sent items. So clicking on send email, email sent successfully. Let's go into our inbox. See, we got one email just now. We got alert 10:52 p.m. The time also 10:52 p.m. This is the content we have configured to send out. So as we discussed, we are using the same email as from one to. We can see in sent items also, as well as in inbox also. So this is the content we plan. This one, right? We were able to send an email successfully using Outlook host. This is sending an email using Outlook host. So if you want to send it email from Gmail or GoDaddy, you need to use these details. If you are using Outlook, use this host. If you are using Gmail, use this host. If you are using GoDaddy, use this one for outgoing messages. So it is SMTP in for incoming messages, SMTP out for outgoing messages. And these are the respective ports for Gmail, for GoDaddy, for Outlook. Okay, this is how you can send emails from Outlook, Gmail, and GoDaddy. That's it for now. So in the next video, we are going to see how to send email with file attachment.